In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to HighLevel, often referred to as GHL. Whether you're familiar with these platforms or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, for those who might not be familiar, Notion is a versatile app that helps in organizing everything from personal projects to professional tasks. HighLevel, on the other hand, is a powerful CRM and marketing platform that helps streamline business processes. Connecting these two can enhance your workflow tremendously. To begin, you'll want to choose the specific page in Notion that you want to link with HighLevel. Open up your Notion workspace and navigate to the page that contains the information relevant to your HighLevel system. It's crucial to make sure this page is well organized since this data will be linked directly. If you're setting up a project or a campaign, double check that everything is up to date and clear for seamless integration. Once you've settled on the page, the next step is to obtain the link from your GoHighLevel account that you will be connecting. Log into your HighLevel account and navigate to the section or page that has the CRM data or marketing information you're looking to integrate. Copy the URL from the address bar. Make sure you have the correct link because this URL will direct Notion to the corresponding area in HighLevel, allowing the integration to function properly. With your HighLevel link ready, head back to your Notion page. You'll want to paste this link into the Notion page you chose at the start. Click to edit the area on your Notion page where you want the link to appear and simply paste it in. Once pasted, Notion will recognize the URL and automatically create a hyperlink or an embedded view of the HighLevel content, depending on your preferences. Now, as a quick tip, ensure your Notion page is visible to trusted team members only, especially if it includes sensitive business information. Notion offers robust sharing settings, so you can control who has access to the integrated content. In conclusion, linking Notion and HighLevel is all about selecting the right Notion page, grabbing the correct HighLevel URL, and pasting it into Notion. This simple yet effective connection enables you to keep track of critical marketing campaigns, projects, or CRM data all within your Notion space. With this setup, you're set to experience enhanced productivity and seamless project management. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more tips and tricks to enhance your digital workspace.